Hello, today I'm excited to share with you a physical therapy secret to help you recover from injury. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. Please let me remind you to like and subscribe if you like this content, as it does help my small business have a fighting chance to succeed in this very competitive market. Thank you for your support. When patients try to recover from injury on their own, they often make one very crucial mistake. They only treat the area of injury or pain. For example, if they have elbow pain, then they do elbow stretches and elbow strengthening, and they put a band on their elbow. Or if they have knee pain, they put a neoprene sleeve on and they do knee extension exercises and they stretch their hamstring. As a physical therapist, when I evaluate a patient for injury, I always try to look at all the potential deficits that could be contributing to slowing their recovery down. At the very least, I will look at the joint above and below the area of injury. For example, in that patient with elbow pain, it could be caused by a long-standing deficit in the rotator cuff muscles or their upper back, those shoulder stabilizer muscles attached to their scapula. Those areas of weakness can add extra stress and strain down the arm into the elbow and make that elbow work harder than it was designed to, causing problems. In those knee patients, I will definitely look at their ankle, because they often have a history of ankle instability or chronic ankle sprains, meaning they don't have that strong base they need for which the knee needs to function. I'll also look at their hip. The hip musculature are the kind of the strong powerhouse movers and controllers of what's happening in the leg, and if they aren't working well, then the knee again is going to take on extra stressors it wasn't designed to manage. So if your good efforts at the site of pain are not working, consider looking above and below the area for deficits that are slowing your recovery. I hope you found this tip helpful. My next video is going to talk about hip stiffness and what you can do about it, so please like and subscribe to make sure that you catch that video. Thank you so much for your support.